Namaste and welcome to Kids Friendly Projects. Today's topic is digraphs. So let's see what are digraphs. A digraph is combination of two letters that make one sound. When two letters combine, they make one sound. A digraph in which the first letter does the talking and the other one is silent. Now, a digraph can be made up of vowels or consonants. New words, vowels and consonants. So let me introduce what are vowels and consonants first. A to Z. These are the letters that we have studied till now. So A to Z letters are divided into two categories. First is vowels and second is consonants. Now coming to what are vowels. There are 5 letters that are known as vowels. Those are A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining letters are the consonants like B, C, D. Now let's see first what are the vowel digraphs. As I said, digraphs include two letters. When they come together, they make a sound. Okay? And the sound is the sound of the first letter. The second letter will be silent. So, the vowel digraphs are AI or AY, EA, OA, IE, UE, EE or OR. Now let's see the vowel digraph words. First is AI. Now here the sound of AI will be A. I will be silent. Okay, so we'll read the word aim. Again the same thing will happen in AI vowel digraph. A will do the talking, I will be silent. So in vain word we spell it as V-A-N, vain. Similarly for others, B-R, br, A-N, brain, R-A-N, rain, M-A-N, main, S-A-L, sail, N-A-L, nail, G-R, gr, A-N, grain. Now coming to next, AY. This is also a digraph. Times AI get replaced by AY. We are going to see some words where AI get replaced by AY. So the first is DAY. How we will make the sound? D-A, day. P-L, pl, A, play. Here also only the first letter is talking and the second letter is silent. So only the sound of first letter is coming. Next, T-O, to, D-A, day, today. S-T, st, A, stay. H-A, hay. L-A, lay. M-A, may. K-L, cl, A, clay. Next, EA digraph. Again, the sound of A will be silent and E will talk. So the sound will come like this. Eat, eat. S, E, see. L, E, f, leaf. T, E, T. R, E, D, rid. S, eat, sit. It's seat. T, e, m, tim, team. M, e, l, meal. Next digraph is OA. Again the same. The second letter will silent and the first letter will do the talking. So the sound of O will come and the second letter sound will be silent. So we read the word like S, O, K, soak, K, O, T, coat, B, O, T, boat, G, O, T, goat, R, O, D, road, L, O, F, loaf, F, L, fleur, O, T, float, T, O, st, toast. Next digraph is IE. Now the second letter will be silent and the first letter will do the talking. So only the first letter sound will come. So the word is P, I, pie, T, I, tie, L, I, lie. Next digraph is UE and the sound is U. Here also the second letter will be silent and only the first letter will do the talking. So the sounds come like U. Words are K, U, Q, B, L, blur, U, blue, T, R, tr, U, true, F, U, L, fuel, G, L, gl, U, glue, D, U, dew, K, L, cl, U, clue, V, E, L, U, value. Now the next digraph is E. Here two letters, same two letters EE. So only one letter will speak. Both the letters having same sound. So only one sound will come out, E. Let's see the word. S, E, see. D, E, P, deep. B, E, P, beep. J, E, P, jeep. F, E, T, feet. Ch, E, K, chick. Sh, E, T, sheet. Qu, E, N, queen. Next digraph is OR, aw. Aw. Here also the second letter R will be silent and the first letter will speak, that is O. So the sound of first letter only comes. Let's see the words. H, O, N, horn. F, O, for. K, O, N, corn. F, O, K, fork. K, O, K, cock. S, O, T, sort. L, O, D, lord. St, stir. O, M, storm. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video will be useful for you. If you find this video to be useful, please share with others so that other kids also enjoy. Thank you so much. See you in next video.